Welcome back. Welcome back, Nargis. How are you? Looking forward to seeing all your targets and everything. You're an excellent
Hi.
technician. Hello, Nargis.
Hi, good morning, Dale. Can you hear me?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Oh, good,
Welcome
good, good.
back, my friend.
Thank you. Thank you for having me again.
Interesting
So,
juncture we're at in the dog days of summer. So
yeah,
I know that you had numbers,
yes,
all the way up here.
yeah,
And, why don't you share your screen and we can take
yes.
a look at whether we're reaching some type of inflection point or it's just things keep going on forever in the same direction.
Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, I have that. It's
Yeah,
showing
some notes.
mark. Yeah, right. Okay.
So, last when we talked around in starting of May, we said we have a target of 4489 for the S&P. In terms of the cycle target, right? And we are
Right.
almost there. XPX was like less than 8 points away from this number.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Well,
so,
we got to what, 80 and a half or something like
yeah,
that
80, yeah, 80 and a half.
and that was a big pullback. So let me ask you, when you had that big pullback and it
Yeah.
was, 40, half a point, away, 40 points, 4 points away from your target.
Yeah.
Did you think that might have been it before it came back later in the week?
Actually, generally, I go by the range. It doesn't have to be exactly that number. So the moment it entered 43.57,
Okay.
I started looking at, that, within 50%, within 25%, how it would react. So it actually went all the way, short of 8 points.
Yes.
And from there it crapped and it came back again to the offset number 43.57. And by the time, XPX is moving in such a tight range that falling, unless it keeps falling, it has a
Yeah.
lot of cushion built in, right? So
Okay.
it came in till the previous number 43.57 or so, that area, and then bounced back up. So far I'm still thinking it's a retest of the high. It may get that 44.89 done,
Okay.
and probably we can see from there. So one thing which I noticed is the QQQ, DIA,
Stronger.
IWM,
Oh
all the
yeah,
four.
Russell.
Yeah,
Russell's been very weak. Yeah.
yes. So all the four had come to their price cycle targets around the same time frame. So it's a confluence in all of the indices. Okay.
Interesting.
But the thing to notice is, let's say QQQ was 361. It overshot a little bit. DIA it 257, and we had XPX 441, and but IWM was the only one which was lagging a little bit than its actual number. Okay, so it's
Okay.
three. So I was thinking that maybe it can get that done. Um, if things wants to move up. One thing, I was looking at, if you remember, the original megaphone. We were, this uh, this
The green line, the red line.
yes. So from here, or did I do it here? Just let me check where I did that. I think that was the, no, I didn't. It's here only. So this was our
Yeah, the throw over.
yeah. So yeah, yeah, somewhere here it was our original megaphone, um,
Mhm.
and we were expecting, okay, it overshot somewhere here, and then probably it come, but it went quite a bit higher, right?
Yeah.
From the trend lines. So it's somewhere here, and then it did show a reaction here, but then it went all the way here. So I was thinking, like, what's going on, and I found an interesting observation. Now I don't know if it makes sense or not, but it was like, oh my God, for me at that moment. Okay, so I'll just share it with you.
Okay.
So we had this swing here, 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 right?
Hmm.
And what I found is this is not random as such. It may look like why it would do high here, what kind of a high it would do here. So all this is having a relationship. So this was so this move down was 300 points. This was approximately 600 points. This is approximately 1200 points. Okay.
Interesting. Okay.
So yeah, so
So we
347,
could get
630.
24, we could get
Yeah, so
2400.
24, 2500 because it's 347, 630, a little bit the
Yeah.
exact precise number is that. And the relationship with the swing is if you do an extension here, this is approximately 1.3 of this retracement, okay? And this is 1.6 of this retracement here, these red lines I've drawn, okay?
Mhm.
And this is at 0.3 to that, it is 1.9 something to that retracement coming exactly around a price cycle. The number is 4496. So I had 449, it's 10 points up. So this is giving a good confidence, right? I mean,
Mhm.
all this were bigger pullbacks once it did that 0.3 point increments of 0.3 from here. So let's assume it follows the same pattern as of this past three. So we may get 24, 2500, which let's say right here, uh, not further in time, but right here, this comes down, that 2500-ish comes down to retest of this previous high approximately. Okay.
Yeah.
So it comes down to test this. And from here, if you do the same 0.3, it takes us into 5,500 or so here, somewhere here,
Okay.
from here to here. So that's what I thought. Oh my God, I thought this does have relationship. It's not that random as I was thinking, like what happened here, what. So
Oh, so after this pullback, it would take it to 6,500? Is that what you said?
no,
Or
I mean,
5,200?
based 50, 5,000, 5,500 or so.
Okay,
So it would
5,500.
be, yeah, so 1.918 it would be. No, sorry, 2.18 it would be.
Okay,
Yeah, somewhere here,
I could see that.
5,500, 500. Yeah, here. Somewhere in this zone, it will bring it, depending on, exactly
Yeah.
where it does and how much 24, 2,500 it would do. So,
So I know
that,
someone looking for, maybe that's the first wave down, then a bounce, and then like 2,600 and then 5,500, which is kind of close to what you're talking about.
oh, really? Oh, wow. So, yeah.
Yeah, Peter Goodburn. You ever
Oh,
seen
okay.
his interviews? He's an
No.
Elliott guy.
Oh, really?
Anyway,
Okay, I should see that. Peter
so it's
Goodburn.
interesting that you guys from completely different methodology
Yeah,
are coming up with some the same
similar.
technical narrative. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was like, I couldn't sleep the whole night thinking about this, right? That, oh my God, how did I not see this before and all that?
Yeah. It's always
Yeah.
easy in the rear view.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I had to go back to my original drawing and see, what. So this was already, pinching in my mind that there is a relationship. What is it? Why did I get so much out of, this
Yeah.
megaphone? Why didn't do what I was thinking it should do or whatever? But it does make sense. It is a relationship.
Okay. Yeah, very interesting megaphone. Yeah. And yeah, okay, go ahead.
Yeah, so as I was saying that all the four came to a confluence, and we did got a pullback, but right now it's a retest of the high, and it may get done that 4489 or to whatever that number is coming to,
Yeah.
and 4557 is the one where I would say that the price cycle is resetted to higher. 7,570. So in future, even let's say it hits 4557 and then it craps and it goes to, whatever, we have a big market correction and everything like 2020, but the future is secure. If not for us, for our children, it will come back to 7,000, 500, 70 or 7,600 approximately. So that's the number I'm looking for it to take out. Not sure if
7,600, take out
Yes.
You mean to the
Se-
upside, longer
uh,
term after we're done with
Longer
this?
term. Yeah. Above
Yeah, okay,
45, 57.
okay,
Yes.
all
So,
right,
from here, if we go here and go here, and from this 5500, even if we come back here, the 7500 or 7600 is almost a guarantee. I mean,
Hmm,
almost word is there. Okay. So,
yeah, yeah, okay, interesting.
yeah.
Yeah, I just want to, do the, catch the cycle we're in. And, it's nice to have an overview of what could happen, 10 years from now, but we get paid with what happens 10
Right.
minutes, 10 days,
10 minutes. Yes.
10 weeks from
Yeah.
now.
The
Yeah,
only thing is this a permanent shift, or this these things are kind of, current in time kind of things, right? These
mhm,
swings which are very fast in time and price. So would these be equal, right? Like, for example, the bear market would be a few years, but has that time reduced to few weeks to a couple, a year
yeah,
or so?
like what happened
What
with
happened,
COVID.
yeah, so what's
Yeah,
happening from the 2018ish to now? Would that be the similar pattern in terms of time versus the number price? That
right.
we need to see whether it's a shift in some time, or
Okay.
so that's what I was looking at. And I had noted down here um, that all the four indices had come to a confluence, and from here we need to see where they want to go, whether they want to do some excess to mark the price higher, or we see some correction down into these areas, and from here go up and do excess. So I was looking to see when the excess would come, right away from 4489 area, or it would do some excess and then do some pullback, or keep
Yeah,
going until I don't know, excess could, because if it is already at 450 SPY, then 500 is like an even number, right? The people talk about the natural attractions, and generally these works in a quarter very well. Like if it is 100, then 25, 50, 75, and then 100. So we already have 50, 450. We did 447 as the all-time high. So 450 we have, then the next two quarters, 1/4 is remaining, right? So
yes,
475 and 500. So so that's what I'm thinking. That does it like to do that whole nice number and then do something,
right.
or from here go down and then do that whole nice number.
Okay,
So that was one thing, attracting to the next hundreds.
okay.
And yeah,
Good
and one of
stuff.
yeah. So I get a lot asked about, Amazon, like why everybody
Oh,
is moving and Amazon is not moving.
yeah.
And that keeps going
That's
down.
yeah, and it had no impact, hardly any impact on the cues.
Yeah, no impact on the queues. Tesla is also, just in range, not doing anything.
Yeah,
Same with Amazon.
Microsoft. It's mainly Microsoft
It's
that's
all, yeah,
holding it
it's
up.
mainly Microsoft. And I do feel that it is stretched a lot, and that 312 area or 2325 area should act as a good resistance for it, to the fact that it has I mean, its monthly RSI is
Yeah,
95 or something like that.
yeah.
Though the traditional indicators are not acting as much of a resistance as of now, but sometimes sometime it has to give, and I feel this area is a good area for it to,
Has Apple topped Nargis?
it hasn't hit 169 as of yet. That
Okay,
150,
so you're still
that
looking for.
151 is still causing an issue for it, not letting it go anywhere till
Right.
now. Here, this
Yeah.
so this consolidation, if it wants to go higher, then it will just poke above somewhere here. Uh, the good thing is, QQQ and SPY keeps moving, and this couple of them, two, three stocks, they are just sitting there. At least Apple is not, not going down or anything. It's holding everything there. Amazon, this 3137 area has been a support for a very long time. You know, it's, let me remove this. It's not easy to see.
So it's due for a bounce here.
Yeah, so it's that's what I was thinking, that it didn't go all the way to 3137 and here, so probably it's on a good weekly support and probably could bounce from here to any of this, and it needs to get out of this congestion to hit that 4097 to 4400. So Amazon and XPX has the same path. Their numbers are almost the same, and they have been reacting to the similar areas. So, 37, 52, 31, 37. So I'm thinking, it will, whatever XPX did around those numbers, Amazon should also follow that. But we will see if it actually does, exactly like that, or delays
Okay.
that.
All right.
But if it wants to fall back here, then this 20, late 2800s, 2915 is where it could fall back to. And from here, we could bounce again. This congestion area needs to resolve. It is quite a bit oversold, Amazon. So it is due for a bounce. I don't know where it is trading right now in pre-market. This
Yeah,
this
me
is not,
either.
I don't think this is right, 31.99. It must be higher because market is gapping up.
Yeah.
So yeah, if it bounces over here and say above 30, 33, it needs above 33.65, but above 33.50 is good for about 21-day MA to, go
Okay.
32.40, 32.37 is where I would be looking. If it stabilizes above that, we would think a temporary reversal to recoup or recover some of the technicals,
Yeah. One
technical
of our
repair.
attendees is saying it's going to open at 32.14. That's the
30 to 14.
pre-market.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So 30 to 37, it needs to close above it, and then we can see a little bit run up. But I think there is a lot of talks going on. We had um,
So I'm going to ask you a question that
yes.
I've asked everybody, and no one will
Okay.
no one really gives me an answer because they
Sure.
don't want it. All right. So look at the IWM, the Russell, which hasn't gone anywhere since March.
Yes.
Okay. Is that distribution or consolidation?
In my opinion, it is a consolidation.
Okay.
I
After the
think
big move
IWM
up.
is. I think IWM is not done yet. Um, but again, the main thing is how will XPX and IWM have a straight relationship, or it's going to be opposite? Meaning,
Okay. So if
uh,
SPX starts going down, people will rotate into IWM.
yes,
That's what
that
you
can
think?
happen. Yeah, that
Uh-huh.
that can happen. Or if the whole market is tanking, then this could, this was the breakout, right?
Right.
So this could easily come down here and from there go. So that would resolve the consolidation to the downside.
Well,
But
then it was distribution.
yeah, then it would be
All right.
distribution.
Consolidation does not resolve to the downside.
Yes, yes. So that's what I was saying. If this is
Yeah.
what I was thinking is it will go up. So it was a
Okay.
consolidation.
Right.
But
Right.
if it reacts to the general market and everyone is moving down, then that would come down to that support.
Okay. So
Uh,
we don't know what it is until we get direction here.
yeah. So it is completely.
I
But
bet there
I
are some
do.
guys that do volume and all kinds of different studies that could tell you whether or not it's
But
consolidation or distribution.
the reason I said, Dale, it's a little bit of consolidation because see, it came down, it has been
Right.
weak, but it did not break this July end of this
Yeah.
July week of low, right?
No,
So
it
I'm
did not.
thinking it wants this ABC to go up
All right.
from.
I'd be
That's why.
surprised to see it get over this week over like
Yes, once
230.
it gets over 225,
Yeah,
that's where it
that's
was
a
having a, yeah, that's where
yeah.
it was having a issue. This way, then we know
Yeah.
that yes, it definitely wants higher.
Are you following gold with the cycles that you're seeing in
Yes, yes. Gold,
okay.
yes. Gold, everything has, why doesn't it? Yes, so gold also came to the support. Remember when it
Yeah,
suddenly
that
fell
flash
last
crash.
week, Sunday?
Sunday, yeah, Sunday
Yes, so
night. Yeah,
1681 was
yeah,
the price level support, and it came exactly to that. I think it did 2 point lower, but not lower than this. Um,
yeah,
this was 1673 and this came to 1679, and 1681 was my level. From there, we said we'll go long, and we actually took long from there. And let's see if this ABC also resolves to the upside and it stays. Mm, Currently, it is just under 1800, right?
yeah.
1880, 1885 or something.
Okay.
Yeah. So 1875 or 1865, I don't remember. One of those numbers. It's right here currently, right? Let's see. Why don't we look at? Oh, why is it showing like? Oh, because it is not gold. Yeah.
Do you have any numbers to the upside that you think it could get
Yes,
to, like you did in the S&Ps?
I had printed out the number 2200, uh, the first closest number to it, and
Yeah.
2700 was the next. The bigger number extension was price cycle wise coming was also 3700 for me, but
Okay.
that seems very far away at 1800,
Yeah.
you know.
Okay. Okay.
So but those are the numbers. So even gold had made a big move, so a lot of consolidation, and as long as it's above this cluster, it still has a trajectory to upside.
Yeah.
At least that 2100, 2200, it should not have an issue above 1750. So that's what
Another
I'm thinking.
clear, concise, and insightful technical rundown by Nargis Motorola.
Motorwala.
Motorola, not
Yeah.
Motorola.
Oh, no, Motorola.
You don't want to be Motorola.
I know,
They're
not in this
defunct,
time.
right?
See,
Motorola. Huh?
Motorwala is someone which Wala is someone having lots of that whatever, right, or coming from that. So motor is like lots of cars. I would like to be like the today's EVs, Teslas, and all
Okay.
that.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah,
Well, you did give us lots of great looks. So the
yeah,
Moda part of it was definitely in this interview. I really appreciate you and your
yeah.
work, Nargis, and you
Thank you.
coming in and you're giving nature here and Twitter, and you retweet even some of my junk, and
No, no, no,
really,
Dale.
I,
I'm
I,
really bad at retweeting. I'll get better at it.
and I really, really glad that our paths crossed on FinTwit,
Yes,
and because
definitely.
I
Yeah.
always look forward to your presentations.
Thank you, Dale. Thank you for having me.
So, my trading warrior sister, until next time,
Yes,
may
sure.
tips just rain down upon you, your family, and all the people you work with.
Yeah, yeah. So just let's see if
Yeah,
these things work out as it is has been working out the past 3-4 times.
yeah,
So let's a little bit cautious going into this zone and see what it does.
well spoken, and take it to heart. So thank you very much, Nargis. I
Thank
appreciate what you showed us today, and I follow what you're doing, and always feel free to tweet in my stream with your ideas to keep everyone updated. It's great
Sure.
content,
Thank you,
and
Dale.
good luck. Okay, I'm not against luck either.
Yes, definitely. Luck is
Uh,
part of the game, Dale.
yeah,
We do our
yeah,
hard work and everything, and then
yeah,
the universe needs to be with us.
yeah. Yeah. The harder you work, the luckier you get.
Yeah.
How
Thank you.
about that? All right. Thank
Yeah,
you, everyone.
definitely.
That's Nargis, and you could follow her on Twitter. If you have any questions about this interview, if you're watching it live or you see the video later, just DM her, follow her at Nargis, Nargis, and secret agent Nargis 007. Okay,
Yeah.
there you go. All right, my trading warrior sister. Thank you
Yeah. Have a
again.
great day, everyone.
All right. Thank you. And
Thank you.
everyone else, thanks. People are thanking you. Always a great listening to you from Laura and Monica And you could join Blake for the morning edge in about 18 minutes. And I'll see everyone tomorrow for Turnaround Tuesday. Shayna Tova, Mira. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. And I'll see you tomorrow. Adios.